The world is a vast place full of different sites of beautiful destinations. But as far as these beautiful destinations go, one thing that people don't really talk about as much are these super giant hotels. And seriously, some out there are just plain huge. Which is why in this video, we'll take a dive into the 10 largest hotels on Earth. Welcome to Lux City. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell button for more videos on the elevated life. And don't hesitate to leave a comment below and destroy that like button. I don't want to keep you waiting, so let's move on to the video. Number 10. Luxor, Las Vegas. The Luxor Hotel is located in the heart of Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. It's just 30 stories tall and has over 120,000 square feet for its casino on site. The staff members are all very friendly. You can find this monstrous hotel at the southern end near where many other famous hotels such as Mandalay Bay or MGM Grand also stand tall. So if you're looking to stay somewhere special while visiting Sin City, make sure to check this one out. It of course includes those games of chance and skill with 2,000 slot machines. But if you're not looking to take a chance on the craps table, then there are 4 swimming pools and whirlpools, a spa salon for some R&R, and even a chapel for those who want their classic Vegas wedding. Can't forget about that 20,000 square foot convention center, 29 retail stores, and over 4,400 rooms, with 442 luxury suites. The Luxor Las Vegas is so huge that you never even have to leave. Number 9. The Londoner Macau. The Londoner Macau, formerly known as the Sands Coast High Central, is a haven for those who love luxury. This huge hotel located in Macau in Asia has one of its most expensive resorts, with none other than an authentic British-style hotel that includes everything from the Big Ben to even Parliament House. Why go to the rail site when you may sit and look at copies on the other side of the world? When you enter the London of Macau, you'll find yourself in a luxury neighborhood that looks exactly like those found in London. The hotel is probably the best for photo ops, since it's truly an amazing sight to see. They have models of the classic black London cabs, of course the oversized teacups, and no London scene is complete without the iconic double-decker buses. Did I mention that there are over 6,200 rooms here? Plus the 150 high-end stores for the people who just want to take a break from the children, or even date night at an expensive club. If you're not a morning person, they got that covered for you too, because breakfast in bed is definitely something they can do for you here, as you can have a real English breakfast delivered right to your room. Number 8. Encore at the Wynn. The Encore at the Wynn in Las Vegas is an immensely huge 5-star hotel resort situated right on the border of the Las Vegas Strip. The hotel houses 4,750 rooms and is another Vegas location that you'd never want to leave. Of course, it is Vegas, so you can expect there to be a huge casino here. However, the Encore is actually known more for their other amenities. Other than the gambling houses, there's the spa center to help take your mind off the loud sounds and parties of Sin City. Even houses a beauty salon and a barber shop for guys and gals wanting to look their best before heading out for a great night. The Encore at the Wynn Hotel has all kinds of restaurants covering multiple cuisines from around the world. But if that's all too stressful and you're more of an introvert or just want to be lazy for a day or two, then the hotel rooms are just as good a place as any. With 24-hour room service, you'll never have to worry about a restaurant closing on you. Number 7. MGM Grand. Known as the second largest complex of hotels in, yet again, Las Vegas, MGM Grand stands at 6,852 rooms. It isn't only one of the largest, but the most well-known places on the Strip. Should anyone recommend a luxury place to stay in Sin City, it would most likely be MGM Grand. Aside from holding all the many rooms, the MGM Grand lives up to its name, because some of the best features in the area are indeed the best for a reason, like the outdoor pool with man-made rapids, private cabanas ensconced by nicely maintained palm trees. Oh, and you can't be in Vegas if you don't have nightlife. This magnificent place houses the world's most iconic events and shows, such as Cirque du Soleil, Blue Man Group, even boxing matches, and the very popular T-Mobile Arena that has had performances from Kiss and the Rolling Stones. But if all of those lights and noise are too much for you, you can just have a chill time dining outside in the gorgeous alfresco dining that they offer. From fountains, ponds, and a wellness center, there's definitely not a chance you'll get disturbed by the bustling city. Number 6. City Center, Las Vegas. Yet another place that you don't ever feel like leaving is the City Center if you manage to pass all of the eye-catching hotels and sites that the area has to offer and all of the shopping areas, restaurants, pools, and cabanas without batting an eye. That's insane! Making our list with just under 7,000 rooms, you can find City Center in none other than Las Vegas. This place is another complex that includes multiple adjoining resorts like the Vondaro Hotel and Spa, and the Aria Resort and Casino. They use up an insane 76 acres of land and even have a sports and concert arena. People aren't joking when they say this place is like a city. If you got the budget, you can even spend the night in one of the hotel suites that's equipped with the breathtaking panoramic view of the Las Vegas Strip and a full kitchen. But who wants to labor away during vacation? Number 5. The Venetian and the Palazzo. The Venetian and the Palazzo is a great place to head to when going to Italy is just a bit out of your budget. This is the largest and most luxurious resort on the Las Vegas Strip. The architecture and overall feel of Venice is one thing this hotel aims to replicate, hence the name. They've even recreated the canals and gondolas with singing boatmen, which you can actually enjoy as a guest. If you want to take a quick nap in between all the activities this city has to offer, how many rooms does the Venetian and the Palazzo actually contain across the complex? To answer your question, it's at over 7,100 different places to stay. Another place that can operate as its own city. And it's not just home to tens of thousands of guests, but to 150 shops, a massive on-site pool area, and not to mention the casino as well. There are also an insane amount of restaurants, 40 to be exact, all in the area to satisfy your hunger and maybe indulge in a 5-star meal. The Italian-style band theater, showing plenty of famous musical acts for years, is one of the best attractions at the Venetian and Palazzo. Number 4. Baracatnie Sezoni. The next hotel on our list is an interesting case and a weird name, but sadly short-lived. This place was built in 2014 for the Winter Olympic Games in Sochi, Russia. During that time, it was the largest hotel in the world, containing more than 8,500 rooms on site. But as the Olympics ended, the crowd started leaving. Many of the hotels and buildings sold off, and the number of rooms decreased by 50%, leaving 4,600 rooms available, making it actually the 9th largest hotel in the world as of 2021. This hotel is not as extravagant or world-renowned as others in the world, but it did offer nice scenery in the outdoor atrium with subtropical plants in the 740-acre park. Number 3. Atlantis Paradise Island. Finally taking off from Las Vegas, we reach the beauty of the Bahamas. The Atlantis Paradise Island is an amazing hotel and resort with an ocean theme and lots of accommodations. So much fresh and saltwater lagoons, marine habitats, water slides, pools, and river rides. You might feel like a kid in a candy store here, as it brings back all of your memories from summer vacations as a child. Aside from all the aquatic fun, the hotel contains 3,805 rooms in total, to which a lot offer a French balcony with a view of that beachy paradise. But the prize of Atlantis Paradise Island is definitely the Dig and Ruins Lagoon located at the main towers, which, by the way, is actually a giant marine habitat that's open air. Number 2. Abraj Al Bait. Located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, Al Braj Al Bait, known as the Arabic Four Towers of the House, This place is a complex consisting of 7 skyscraper hotels, all owned by the government in Saudi Arabia. It's also a part of the King Abdulaziz Endowment Project in order to modernize Mecca City to provide quality accommodations to the yearly visiting millions of pilgrims. The whole complex stands on 16 million square feet with construction costing around a whopping 15 billion US dollars. The main attraction on top of all that, literally on top, is the Mecca Royal Clock Tower, falling as the 4th tallest building in the world in 2021. The clock tower has the world's largest clock face, covering up to 4 floors. Talk about a record-breaking building. With the location being in Mecca, you can bet that there are loads of huge prayer rooms, and for those who like to shop around, a 5-story shopping center. And can I say that this hotel literally is home to 10,000 people at once and 5,383 rooms. It's an experience only a select few can even have in these tall towers. Number 1. First World Hotel and Plaza, Malaysia. Wait till you get a load of this. The granddaddy of the bunch, the largest hotel in recorded history, containing an incredible 8,584 rooms across 3 humongous towers, is the First World Hotel in Plaza. This massive 3-star hotel is situated in Malaysia. Its bright colors are reminiscent of that of an amusement park, and that's partly because it is a First World Hotel and the plaza is incredibly vibrant on the outside, taking in just about every color in the room. But the fun doesn't stop there. As we walk inside, there are loads of indoor and outdoor theme parks for adrenaline junkies, theaters for the cinephiles, and so much more. Can we also add the insane amount of bowling alleys? 20 to be exact. The First World Hotel is not just for families, but is great for solo travelers as well. Limitless amounts of activities here, including amazing on-site restaurants and shopping. Now, 3 stars may be a little lower than some of the previous ones in this video, but you can't really think about stars otherwise when staying at a record-breaking hotel like this one right here. Thanks for making it to the end of our video. Which part did you find the most interesting? Type it down in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to destroy that like button. For more videos on luxury, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell button. As always, thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.